And today's challenge is a 2007 Honda Civic. And in Arizona, you really need more of a visor than this one. So trick here is you just got to remove the old one, which you can do by prying this little cap off. I'm just using a regular pry tool here, which is usually a good idea to keep from marring the surfaces, okay, which exposes the Torx head fittings, although if you'll notice, if you look close, there's actually a flat screwdriver slot. So in the interest of keeping things strategic, I'll use the simple way. And for this particular vehicle, the new visors are available for really not much money. So this one just got delivered for about 20 bucks in about 2 days. So you can't beat that. So let's go ahead and get it put in. Hey, this one even comes with its own replacement screws. I like the originals a little better. And it's got the mirror and looks very much like the original. So let's get it in. And the trick is going to be getting that little hook up inside the bodywork like that, and then come over and go ahead and clip in this end. That way everything's kind of held in place. Flip the visor down out of the way, and then spin the mount so that the screw holes more or less line up, and you're ready to get the first screw started. Okay, you don't want, if it's not going in smoothly, you want to reposition it, line it up so that it's not cross-threading, and go ahead and drive it down. Don't drive it fully down because you got to get the second screw in. You probably have to do some alignment. So to get to it, you need to pull the visor back around the other way and then start the second screw. And with any luck, it's more or less lined up. You can use the screw itself to wedge things in the right direction. And again, if the first few threads don't go in finger tight, then you don't have it straight. It's easy to get it crooked. So run this down. Go ahead and tighten the second screw. And then tighten the first screw down. And after that, it's just a matter of sliding the protective little cap over, popping it into place, and you're done.